Hope you're all staying healthy and safe. In this video, I'll be showing how to split a text into columns in Excel. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see similar videos in future, please subscribe to my channel. Here, I'll be using two types of data to split into different columns using text to columns button under data tab. So let me work with the first column, that is name column. In order to segregate this data to first name and last name, what I'll do is highlight the data and then click on text to columns. When I click on the text to columns button, I have this dialog box with options of delimited and fixed width. So the first name and last name here is delimited with space. Hence, I'll be using delimited option and then I'll click on next. And this is automatically check mark space, which we'll be using. So now I'll go ahead and click on next. Before that, this will be our final result that is shown over here, preview, in this little box. So what I'll do is click on next, and then column data format is general, so this is okay, and then I'll click on finish. So now our first name and last name has been segregated to two different columns. So I'll go ahead and type in first name for the first column and last name for the second column. So this is the first way of splitting text into columns using delimited option inside text to columns button. And for this data, I have typed in some lot codes representing a product or a material or anything used in manufacturing. So here the format is 2020-1009A. So the first four letters is year, second two or the fifth and sixth represents month, seventh and eighth is day, and the last letter is line number. So what I'm going to do is select this data and then click on text to columns. And in this case, since we don't have any delimiter and all of the data is of same length, I'll go ahead and use a fixed width option and then click on next. And now we have a scale that shows the length of characters. The first one I'll be segregating is year, so I'll click on the fourth one, and then after that I'll click on the sixth one. After that I'll click on the eighth one. Now I'll click on next. So this is how our data will be segregated: the first four, the fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and the last letters. So I'll click on finish, and this is our final segregated data. Now I'll rename this into year, month, and then day and line. So this is how we segregate our data into columns using text to columns button under data tab. If you like this video and if it helps you, please give this video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.